Ford Focus 2018 has officially been launched for the UK market today. The Focus is turning 20 years old this year, and the carmaker says the new model is the most accomplished and technically competent variant ever made. It has been developed around a human-centric design philosophy which fuses emotional exterior styling with class-leading aerodynamics. We wanted our all-new Focus to be a product customers fall in love with, and stay in love with, said Imco Leenertz, Ford European Design Director. Inside and out, our new design philosophy is about creating memorable moments of interaction that build and maintain the relationship between human being and machine. The A-pillars have been positioned further rearward and gives the car a distinctive new silhouette, longer hood and flowing front fender. At the front it has been given a larger grille which sits between a new LED headlight signature, which resembles that of the Volvo Thor Hammer design, and a new light signature at the rear. Set further wide apart with the new Focus badge spelled out in between. The wheelbase has been extended by 53 mm, which should improve space inside the cabin for passengers. Ford says the car's sculpted exterior functions for both styling as well as aerodynamic performance. It is the first car to be built on Ford's new C2 platform, which is said to deliver enhanced crash performance, more interior space and aerodynamic improvements. A number of variants will be on offer when the range launches, which include the Focus Vignale, ST-Line, Active, Titanium and Zetec, each coming with both exterior, trim and technology differences. The Vignale is the luxury offering the Focus range, while the ST-Line has more aggressive styling and more power under the bonnet, and the Active has an elevated ground clearance. Front and rear skids plates and protective wheel arches, reflecting its off-roading crossover character. A choice of an advanced range of Ford EcoBoost petrol and Ford EcoBlue diesel engines, which meet current Euro 6 emissions standards calculated using the World Harmony's Light Vehicle Test Procedure WLTP, will be on offer. All powertrains support auto start-stop as standard, and a choice between a 6-speed manual and new 8-speed automatic transmission. The choice of engine on offer includes the 1.0-liter EcoBoost with either 85 PS, 100 PS and 125 PS, and a new 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine with either 150 PS or 182 PS. A new fuel efficiency emissions technology can disengage one of the car's cylinders when it is not needed and engage it again within 14 milliseconds. CO2 emissions from the petrol range are as low as 108 GkM for the 5-door 1.0-liter variant, while the 1.5-liter engine delivers from 120 GkM. Diesel variants come in with lower CO2 emissions of 94 GkM for the 1.5-liter 95 PS and 120 PS, and in 110 GkM for the 2.0-liter 150 PS variant. It has a wider range of advanced features than any previous Ford vehicle to date, offering Level 2 automation with the Ford Copilot 360 technology, which improves protection, driving and parking. Automatic cruise control with stop-go, speed sign recognition and lane centering helps to maintain self-distance from vehicles ahead and helps to keep the car central in its lane. It works up 125 miles per hour and can adjust the speed within legal limits by monitoring roadside and overhead gantries for speed signs and using the onboard navigation system. A forward-facing camera helps to monitor lane markings up to 65 meters ahead of the car, and the adaptive front lighting system adjusts the headlight beam angle and intensity to match the driving environment. Another first for the new Focus is the inclusion of a head-up display which projects driver information into the eye line of the driver. Other advanced technologies include Active Park Assist 2, Evasive Steering Assist, Pre-Collision Assist with pedestrian and cyclist detection, Rear Wide View Camera, and Ford My Key. The My Key features is designed for younger drivers, which can inhibit incoming phone calls, restrict top speed, prevent deactivation of driver assistance and safety features, reduce audio system maximum volume, and disable the audio system altogether if occupants are not using seatbelts. Inside the car there is also a host of new technology for drivers to get to grips with. This includes the Ford Pass Connect system, which turns the vehicle into a Wi-Fi hotspot for connectivity up to 10 devices. The system also comes with live traffic updates, vehicle locator, vehicle status, door lock unlock and remote start technologies. A wireless charging pad is also mounted underneath the instrument panel to remove a mess of cables from the interior. The Ford Sync 3 infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity is supported by an 8-inch touchscreen which is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A new 675-watt PO Play sound system with 10 speakers, including a 140mm mounted subwoofer and a mid-range speaker in the center of the dashboard, is also offered as an option. Prices start at £17,930 for the Focus style, £2,300 below the model it replaces. Focus, Zetec and ST-Line, together representing 55% of sales, are now £850 and £250 less respectively. The new Focus range will comprise 7 variants from launch. Starting with style at £17,930, the range progresses through Zetec £19,300, ST-Line £21,570, ST-Line X £24,050, Titanium £21,550, Titanium X £22,820 and Vignale £25,450.